Madiskarte Moms! Welcome to Roxy Reviews, powered by PLDT Homebiz. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell para lagi kayong nauuna tuwing magre-release kami ng bagong videos dito sa YouTube. At mga mommies, alam niyo ba, yung product na i-review ko today is coming from a single mom because she wants to celebrate Filipino culture, experience, and nostalgia with her scented candles. I now present to you Babaylan Candles by Mommy Aubrey Lopez. At alam niyo ba mga mommies, ang Babaylan ay nag-open ng COVID-19 pandemic in 2020 and they started with handcrafted wooden bowls from carvers in Benguet. But you know, later on, just like you guys, Mommy Aubrey discovered also her passion. And for her, it is candle making. So yun yung kinontinue niya. And naisip rin niya, there is so much influence ng Western culture sa atin when it comes to candle making. So she wants to preserve the Filipino culture and flavor in every product, and here we are with Babaylan Candles. Mommies, this is so exciting! Yung amoy niya, bango! Oh my gosh, ang ganda nito! Check that out! Ang gaganda naman! Alam mo, packaging pa lang, winner na, di ba? Oh. Babaylan is a one-mom business and si Mommy Aubrey talaga is the one doing the nitty-gritty of her craft. And imagine yung mga moms, diba, from wooden bowls to now scented candles, she was able to expand her line with many more proudly Pinoy specialty products. Naku, sobrang ganda nito. Fragrances and linen sprays. And what's nice about her business is that you can also customize and curate the gifts. Meron in tin cans, in glass jars, or anything that you want to personalize if you want to give to a special someone. At good news, Madiskarte Moms, alam nyo ba, Babaylan is very supportive of local businesses kaya naman ino-offer nila ang rebranding with its fragrances and scented candles. At ang prices, affordable. Fragrance tablets sell for 149 pesos each. Candles in tin cans between 150 to 865. Candles in wooden bowls naman, 355 hanggang 655. Reed diffusers from 140 to 550. Room sprays, 495. And for rebranding, price starts at 115 pesos. And for more information, you may also reach Babaylan through their online shop, their website, and other social media pages. If you want us to promote and feature your home business, all you need to do is simply join Madiskarte Moms PH on Facebook and post something about your home biz. Malay niyo mga mommies, kayo na yung next na ma-feature namin dito. Diba? This has been a pleasure. I am Mommy Roxanne, and this is Roxy Reviews powered by PLDT Homebiz.